What's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. If I can ask you guys for one favor, that is if you can like, comment, and subscribe. That would mean the world to me, and I would really appreciate that. But now let's jump right into today's content. Before I begin, guys, I just want to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.48 trillion. We are below that $1.5 trillion mark, guys, and the market has seen about a 10.1% pullback in just the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 39.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys know what has been going on today. I was unable to cover this for you guys earlier today because I was busy at that time, but I wanted to really make this video for you guys to really explain to you guys where the market is really sitting right now and what could most likely occur in the immediate short term. As you guys can see, over the past 24 to 7 days, we have seen a continuous bloodbath across the board within the cryptocurrency markets. Major fear coming in the board right now. Majority of the altcoins down double digits, and we are seeing Terra down 52.8%. Obviously, there is something going on with Terra specifically, which I will cover in another separate video, really explaining as to what is going on with Terra, why it's seeing such a crazy pullback compared to other altcoins. But you guys get the picture as to what is going on within the entire markets. And if you guys are a follower on my channel, you guys know I've been kind of hinting this, kind of preparing you guys. Hey, we need to be prepared for this to occur. And if you guys tune into my video just 4 days ago, I want each and every one of you guys, if you guys missed this video, go watch my Vechain video that I made just 4 days ago explaining that the price of Bitcoin is sitting at some very crucial price levels, and we could be in for more downwards trend to occur. And that's exactly what we have seen happen. Obviously, guys, no one wants to see this happen, but if you are part of the cryptocurrency space, you need to be aware of this price momentum. We do see the bullish pattern comes, when the bullish price comes into play, the momentum is on the bullish side. We do see crazy life-changing gains being made, but also there comes a time where markets can be very scary, and this is where the weak hands get shaken out. So if you are an altcoin holder, whether it is Vechain, Polygon, Cardano, whatever altcoin you're holding right now, you guys want to watch this video till the absolute end, because I want to share some very interesting and important price charts with you guys. But before we begin, guys, I just want to say that this video is brought to you by Crypto.com. If you guys don't know what Crypto.com is, it's the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can join up to 50 million plus users, buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back, and grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. And this app can be downloaded on the two major platforms. If you have an iPhone or an Apple device, on the App Store. If you have an Android device, on the Google Play Store. It's a one-stop shop, guys, and literally it has everything you need for it to do on just this one app alone. And as I mentioned, my favorite part about this app is the Crypto.com Visa card. This is a prepaid Visa card and can be used anywhere in the world where Visa is accepted. So check it out. Link in the description box below. All right, guys. Now, if we're looking at the charts, guys, very scary times indeed for the price of Bitcoin, and you guys want to be focusing on this very closely, guys. So if I am zooming in right now for you guys, so back in January, so earlier this year on the January 24th, 2022, so when this year basically started, this is when we saw the price of Bitcoin go down to that $33,481 support line. We saw a major price pullback towards the upside, never managed to break above this major level of resistance that I've been talking about on my channel for quite some time at the 46K mark. Saw the price go back down, But this time around, we never saw it go below that $33,600 price point support level. We saw it stay above here. And again, the same pattern occurred. And again, we saw the price hover around, build more major level of support within the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Major level of support was built up around here. But again, for the third time, we saw the price of Bitcoin try to break out of this major level of resistance, and it did manage to break out of here at this time around. But guess what happened? We never stayed above this level. This really showed us the level of strength that the bulls had within themselves. And I've been talking about this for quite some time. And we saw the price get rejected and back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. And this time around, guys, today on May 9th, 2022, we have seen the price of Bitcoin break below this level of support at that $33,600 price point, and we saw the price of Bitcoin go to $29,745, guys. Last time we saw these prices was back on July 21st, 2021. So last summer, before we saw, this was the bottom. This was literally the bottom. Before we saw the all-time high rally we saw within the price of Bitcoin. And obviously, this is where Tesla had their announcement as well, which obviously played an impact for the price of Bitcoin to really appreciate and have its rally. But right now, guys, we are literally sitting at this support line. Now, I want you guys to focus very, very closely. We are gaining, a green candle right now within the price of Bitcoin right now. After having, a major dip for the price of Bitcoin, we saw Bitcoin pull down about 17% in a single day. And again, this is shaking out a lot of weak hands. And you guys do not want to be those weak hands. Let me tell you why. This pattern is going to come. It is definitely going to come, and I've been trying to warn you guys for quite some time. You guys are, like I said, free to go watch my older videos. You never want to have greed in this market. Obviously, if you're sitting on massive profits, you want to be locking in these profits at all times. And once you lock in these profits, these are the dips where you reaccumulate. But if you have done your due diligence and research and have really invested what you can afford to lose, guys, then patience is your number one key to follow. This pattern is going to happen here and there. But like I said, cryptocurrencies are here to stay. Obviously, not all of the cryptocurrencies are here to stay. Most of them will go to zero, but the ones with real utility, strong fundamentals, big communities are going to be here to stay. But right now, we are sitting, like I said, at this support line at that $30,700 price point. Basically, the support line is at the $29,860. We were supported by that. Support line, but if we break below this $28,881 mark, guys, then things could start looking very, very bearish. It's not that I'm saying it's not bearish already. It's very, very bearish right now as well. But if that were to occur, then we are entering the 61.8 Fibonacci, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level for the first time ever since beginning of last year. And this would confirm that we have entered the bear market. So right now, I need the price of Bitcoin to stay above that $33,715 level at all cost, but I will keep you guys updated as to what happens. Looking at the overall crypto market cap right now, we have seen the crypto market cap go below that $1.76 trillion support line. And usually, guys, you guys can see we have seen the price of Bitcoin obviously go below it, but it has always managed to break past this resistance level, which is at that $1.76 trillion mark. And in order for us to be bullish, guys, to be quite honest with you guys, me personally, if I want to be bullish, I need to see the market cap sitting above that $1.78 trillion. If we're below that, guys, I am on the bearish end. So right now, like I mentioned, altcoin holders, Bitcoin holders, you guys want to be listening to this very, very carefully. If the price of Bitcoin tumbles below $28,694 level, then we could be in for more downwards momentum, and that would confirm that we have entered the bear market for the immediate term. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is sitting at 42%, not a surprise. And right now, there's major fear across the board. You look at Bitcoin on Google, you will see bearish left and right. But let's not forget, guys, we have major institutions buying Bitcoin like never before. They are buying in bulk, and we had El Salvador purchase more Bitcoin today at today's dip. They're not just buying Bitcoin. They see real utility. They see the power Bitcoin really has against inflation, which we have been seeing go absolutely insane. And not only countries, we're like seeing institutions adopt to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going nowhere, guys. And we need to keep in mind, it's not only cryptocurrencies that have seen quite a bit of a drop right now, it's also the traditional market. Stocks have seen Nasdaq, S&P have pulled down, and obviously cryptocurrencies and stock market is correlated with one another lately, especially since the beginning of this bull cycle. And we have seen a lot of major correlation between the two markets, and that's something we need to consider as well. But that is it for today's update, guys. Altcoin holders, be very careful right now. We could be in for more downwards momentum right now. I do want to see the price of Bitcoin stay above this level at that $33,480 level. And if that's the case, great. If not, be prepared. We could be in for more downwards momentum. So if you love your altcoins, the ones that you have really believed in, guys, and you really have some money laying around for the long haul, you want to invest, that might be the time to dollar cost average in. Not financial advice. You guys do what works for you. That is it for today's update, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and